Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming Bluetooth is on and the sender finished sending. Transfer notifications usually appear briefly. Once done, pull down Quick Settings and tap the Bluetooth icon to verify activity, then open your Files or Downloads app because Android typically stores received files there. You do this now to avoid searching through apps later. It's faster and prevents duplicates. If you don't see a notification, don't panic, continue to the File Manager, and search Recent Items by date to catch the transfer. You should open the Files app and tap Recent or Downloads. These views surface newly received files immediately. If not visible, navigate to Internal Storage, then look for a Bluetooth folder. Many devices place incoming items there. Make sure to sort by date or filter by file type so the newest transfer floats to the top, which speeds discovery. If multiple apps manage files, try the device's built-in file manager first because it follows Android's default storage paths and shows system folders like Blue. You can now tap the file to open it with the right app. Previewing confirms file integrity and type. Once verified, move or copy the file into Pictures, Documents, or your Cloud folder so it's backed up and easier to find later. If you can't find the file, make sure hidden folders are visible. Toggle Bluetooth off and on, and ask the sender to resend. Sometimes transfers fail silently. If problems persist, restart the phone and check storage permissions for the Files app to restore access.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.